So keeping with slickers, there's many different types of slickers, and I'm going to show you another type. And actually this slicker here is comes in various sizes. I've got two sizes I'm going to show you, and the sizes are good for working on different parts of the dog. So just to go over some of the differences of this slicker and the other slicker, this is a wooden slicker, obviously. The handle is quite nicely shaped. It's quite comfortable to fit into your hand. It has some nice grips down here and a nice place to put your thumb. It's comfortable. It's fairly lightweight wood. And so you can look for brushes that are similar to this and that are comfortable in your hand. This has slightly tighter bristles. You can see that. And they are in a base. It's a little bit more spongy. It's a little bit more cushioned. Okay, so it's a little bit more comfortable for the dog. You can see how this gives a little bit. And when I run it over my hand, it's not quite as painful as the other type of brush. Again, this kind of brush, the slickers, the little bristles here can come apart as you're using them. If you use it often, you might find that you need to change it frequently, but it's a very nice, comfortable brush. So you can see we have two sizes here, and the two sizes would be ideal for different things. You might use this size on a small coated breed, such as a Havanese or a Yorkie. If you are going to be using this type of slicker, you might use it on a larger breed. However, I do use the smaller brush frequently for hard-to-reach places like the feet. So if we want to brush in between the toes, then using the smaller slicker affords you a little bit more flexibility than if we were using the larger slicker. We'd actually be hitting a much greater area, and if we want some precision here, working in between the toes, having the smaller slicker works out a little bit better. Great for doing around the face as well. So this is just two examples of another kind of slicker, both very comfortable working with the dog, although I still suggest when you're working in certain areas that you hold the hair when you're brushing. Okay, so here we go, two different types of slickers.